If you're looking for an amazing Hostinger discount coupon code deal where you can save maximum amount of money, then you have to watch this video, because in this video, step by step, I will tell you how you can get as much as up to 91% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. Make sure to click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see up to 73% off deal running right now. But guys, don't worry, I will tell you step by step on how you can claim as much as up to 91% off. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to grab this deal. Now if you scroll below, you may see hosting reviews on Trustpilot, and if I'm going to click in front of you, you may see that very good ratings for 48,000 people claiming 4.7 ratings, very good. And if I see the review summary, majority of the reviews are 5-star and praising I was having issues, but they helped me. A 5-star review, super solid hosting services with great features. You may see ample of satisfied reviews. And if I scroll below, you may see that all of the plans covered with 30 days money back guarantee, and you have a cancel anytime option, which is a great add-on, 24/7 support. Now on all of these plans, I can tell you how you can get up to 91% off, but there are few features which inspired me to get my hosting from Hostinger, which I wanted to discuss regarding with you. One such is Hostinger Horizon, where I can turn my idea into reality by just simply giving the command. Also, if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, just like me, they have a website migration service. So either you have one website or 100 website, the team is going to transfer all of your website, and that too free of cost. This is the control panel with the name of hPanel. They have created their own industry's best AI powered control panel. Super easy, super friendly. Even a beginner or a newbie can use it without any issues. And with this discount coupon code deal, you are getting it complimentary. Hostinger also has local data centers all around the world. They have fastest speed and 24/7 support. These were a few of the features which inspired me to get my blog on Hostinger. And the security features are just mind-blowing. You are getting automatic backup, 2-factor authentication, unlimited SSL security certificates, and the Cloudflare protected name server technology. And at this moment, 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. So now if you want to be the part of Hostinger family, simply scroll above, and I recommend you guys to simply select the see all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plan, features, functions before you are going to get one. Now you see over here 73% off. I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 91% discount. So you can get the discount on any plan. You can get this on premium or any plan, because this is for specially for my audience through the discount link. Now you may see over here that the special discount is running right now for my audience. Hostinger offer 4 billing periods, 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. I recommend you guys to grab the 48 months to save the maximum discount. So with 48 months, you may see over here you are getting 48 months with free domain, 2 months extra free, plus you are getting daily backup, free domain, free setup. Do the math yourself. Plus now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing discount coupon code. You can find this discount coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discounting. Simply select the apply over here, and you may see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another discount coupon code as well. You can use either of the coupon code to get the maximum discount. So you may see over here 10% through this, plus all of these, plus 73% before, making up to 91%, 90 to 91% discount. Do the math yourself. 30 days money back guarantee. Now once you select the continue, you may be asked to log into your Google account, but since I'm already logged in, which is why I will directly move to the billing address. You may see my order summary, my discount coupon code is loaded. Now write my billing details over here, simply select the continue. Once I write my billing details and simply select the continue, I will move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment method. Hostinger offer a variety of payment methods. You can pay with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate, Bitcoin. So you have so many options to get this discount deal. For instance, we are going with a credit card. Write your credit card details and simply select the submit button. Once you select the submit button, within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger with your hosting account details. So the procedure is very quick and easy. And just for a revision, I've been using it from the last 3 to 4 years. My experience so far is very good, and I highly recommend you guys to be the part of this Hostinger family with a special discount coupon code deal. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.